Ever wondered how some posts on your social media feed gather millions of views while others barely scratch the surface? It's all about the enigma that is social media algorithms. These intricate systems, designed by tech giants, determine what content pops up on your feed, and more significantly, what doesn't. They're like invisible puppeteers, pulling the strings behind your screen. These algorithms are powerful, but they're also unpredictable. A post can go viral overnight, gaining millions of views, likes, and shares. Or it could just as easily get lost in the digital abyss. It's like playing the lottery, but the stakes are your visibility, your brand's reach, and ultimately, your success. In this crowded social media space, gaining followers and achieving visibility is a constant uphill battle. With every post, you're competing against countless others for the attention of the same audience. The question remains, how can one crack this social media code and achieve viral success? Imagine a tool that can help you navigate the murky waters of social media algorithms, a tool like AI FameRush. This revolutionary tool takes the mystery out of social media, breaking down algorithms and helping you skyrocket your brand. It's like having your very own virtual influencer, tirelessly promoting your products or services 24/7. And the best part? It's all done without compromising your privacy or personal life. AI FameRush is not just an influencer, it's a sales machine. It's designed to attract millions of followers, generate high engagement, and pull in sales like a magnet. It's your ticket to viral fame, without the need for a massive following, special skills, or a big budget. And let's not forget about the time and resources you'll save. With AI doing all the heavy lifting, you can focus on what really matters, creating great content. With AI FameRush, going viral is no longer left to chance. But what sets AI FameRush apart from other social media tools? Well, imagine having a virtual clone, a digital doppelganger that tirelessly promotes your brand, product, or message around the clock. AI FameRush makes that sci-fi dream a reality, giving you the power to create your own clone, or even a whole team of ready-to-monetize virtual influencers. And it's not just about saving time or protecting your privacy, it's about tapping into a gold mine. The virtual influencer market is valued at a staggering $24 billion. Just think about it, $24 billion. And with AI FameRush, you're not just getting a slice of the pie, you're setting the table. AI FameRush isn't a tool that only replicates your voice or your image. It's a tool that replicates your drive, your passion, and your ambition. AI FameRush isn't just a tool, it's your ticket to becoming a social media superstar. The power to go viral and skyrocket your brand is now in your hands. With AI FameRush, you have the unique opportunity to break every social algorithm and reach millions without any followers, skills, or budget. Imagine having a clone of yourself or a lifelike virtual influencer working tirelessly, selling for you around the clock. You can tap into the $24 billion virtual influencer market first and establish yourself as a top influencer in any niche. The best part? You can do all this while protecting your privacy and personal life. Now, for a limited time during the launch period, AI FameRush is available at a low one-time price. Plus, you'll receive a free commercial license to sell or use on all your client projects and keep 100% of the profits. Don't miss this chance to dominate social media. Try AI FameRush today and experience the rush of going viral.